Formula One, we did the bidding. It is making good progress, and we are also in discussions with MotoGP, and you are aware this year we are going to host the World Cycling Championship here in Rwanda. So all these are things that are happening according to plan, and having thought through all this, the benefit to the country and to businesses and the people of this country and Africa are enormous. They are really limitless opportunities, and that's why we made that choice. You are aware before this we have had partnerships over football. We have partnership with Arsenal, with PSG, with Bayern Munich. These ones have, the results have spoken for themselves. It brings in, I see people write so many things about Rwanda is open. It's really open for business, open for tourism, open for education. We have brought people through education channels to, you know what we have here, Carnegie Mellon, and many others that have established here. All these are, so far, generally, I don't know any of these endeavors we have undertaken that have led to government regretting that we did this and that. In fact, it is just all benefits. And again, with time, the benefits become more tangible. You show it in numbers more clearly than it is now.